Have you ever wondered which airport holds the title for the world's oldest? This question might seem simple at first glance, yet the answer opens up a world of history, innovation, and global connection. Airports are much more than just transport hubs. They are gateways to distant lands, meeting points of cultures, and testaments to human ingenuity. From bustling metropolises to remote corners of the globe, airports play an invaluable role in bringing the world closer together. Over the years, airports have evolved from humble airstrips into sprawling complexes, each with its own unique story to tell. They've witnessed the birth of commercial air travel, the surge of tourism, and the ever-increasing global interconnectedness in our modern world. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or simply intrigued by the marvels of aviation, the story of airports is a journey worth taking. Join us on a journey through time as we explore the 10 oldest airports in the world. The year was 1928 when Albany International Airport, the first ever municipal airport, opened its doors. Nestled in the heart of New York, this aviation pioneer was more than just an airport. It was a beacon of progress. Albany International was a marvel of its time, equipped with modern facilities that set the standard for airports to come. Its establishment was a significant milestone in the aviation industry, marking the beginning of municipal airports, owned and operated by the city rather than private entities. The airport was an impressive feat, boasting a spacious terminal, a control tower, and numerous hangars. It was designed to accommodate the increasing number of air travelers and to promote commercial aviation. But Albany International was more than just a hub for air travel. It was a symbol of the city's commitment to progress and innovation. It represented the dawn of a new era in transportation, one that would forever change the way we traverse our world. And thus, the era of aviation was born, paving the way for many more airports around the globe. Just a few years later in 1925, Cleveland Hopkins International Airport was established. Nestled in the heart of Ohio, this airport quickly became a key player in the aviation industry. Its initial features were modest yet innovative for the time. A single runway, a humble terminal building, and a commitment to safety were all part of the original package. But what truly distinguished Cleveland Hopkins was its geographical position. Situated almost precisely between the eastern and western United States, it quickly became a critical connection point. Travelers from the bustling cities of the East Coast could now reach the untamed beauty and the burgeoning opportunities of the West with greater ease. This pivotal role earned it the title, the Gateway to the West. Cleveland Hopkins International Airport was more than just an airport. It was a symbol of unity, a testament to the power of human innovation, and a beacon of progress. As the gateway to the West, this airport played a crucial role in bridging the continental divide. In the same year, the Grand Central Airport in California opened its runways. This remarkable airfield, nestled in the heart of the Golden State, was more than just an airport. It was a testament to human ingenuity and ambition, a beacon for the burgeoning world of aviation. From its inception, Grand Central Airport was designed to be a hub for transcontinental flights. Its impressive features included a state-of-the-art terminal building, expansive hangars, and the capacity to accommodate the largest aircraft of the time. The airport, with its streamlined design and cutting-edge technology, was a tangible sign of the exciting future that lay ahead in aviation. As the years passed, the airport's status grew. It wasn't just a stopover, it was a destination, a place where dreams of flight took off and landed. It became a major hub, connecting the East and the West, facilitating the exchange of ideas, cultures, and goods. The Grand Central of the Skies, as it was fondly called, truly lived up to its name. 1928 saw another airport rise, the Newark Liberty International Airport. Nestled in the heart of New Jersey, this aviation marvel began its journey as a humble airport with a single terminal and a few runways. As the years rolled by, it expanded, with new terminals and runways being added, mirroring the growth and evolution of the aviation industry itself. Newark Liberty International wasn't just an airport. It was the eastern gateway to the United States. It played a pivotal role in connecting the East Coast to the rest of the world. From business tycoons to vacationers, from diplomats to explorers, it welcomed all with open arms. It was here that dreams took flight, journeys began, and memories were etched. The airport stands today as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Its towering control tower, bustling terminals, and humming runways tell a story of countless journeys and endless possibilities. This eastern gateway served as a beacon to travelers from around the globe. Crossing the Atlantic, let's visit the Croydon Airport, established back in 1920. Nestled in the heart of London, Croydon was more than an airport. It was the birthplace of a new epoch in British aviation. In its infancy, Croydon Airport was a mere collection of grass fields, serving as the runway for adventurous pilots and their rudimentary flying machines. Yet, even in its simplest form, it was imbued with a sense of promise and potential. As time passed, the airport swiftly transformed, adapting to the burgeoning demands of air travel. Hangars sprouted up, a control tower was erected, and in a flash, this once humble field was a bustling hub of aviation. Croydon Airport holds a special place in British aviation history. It was the first airport in the world to introduce air traffic control, setting a precedent for all future airports. From fields to flights, Croydon Airport marked the beginning of a new era in British aviation. From Albany to London, these airports were the pioneers of aviation. They were the trailblazers that propelled us into the age of air travel, setting the stage for the world to become a global village. Each of these airports has a unique story, a distinct character etched in its runways and terminals. Albany International Airport, for instance, is the birthplace of aviation. Its inception marked the dawn of a new era, one where the sky was no longer a limit, but a playground for mankind's ambitions. Albany's contribution to aviation is like a cornerstone, a foundation upon which the edifice of air travel was built. Then we have the Cleveland Hopkins International Airport, fondly known as the Gateway to the West. It served as a pivotal point in America's aviation history, connecting the eastern and western coasts and making travel across the vast nation faster and more accessible. Next, we have the Grand Central Airport, often referred to as the Grand Central of the skies. This airport was the heartbeat of the aviation world, a hub of activity where the world's largest airliners would come and go, like the mighty arteries of the aviation industry. Newark Liberty International Airport, the Eastern Gateway, has its own tale to tell. It played a pivotal role during the war, serving as a crucial link for troops and supplies. Its strategic location made it an indispensable asset, a beacon of hope and resilience in the face of adversity. Lastly, we travel across the pond to London's Croydon Airport. From humble beginnings as a simple grass field, it blossomed into a bustling hub of international air travel, embodying the indomitable spirit of human ingenuity. These airports, each with their unique features and roles, were the stepping stones that led us to the age of aviation we are familiar with today. They were the laboratories of innovation, the playgrounds of pioneers, and the arenas of audacious dreams. These airports laid the groundwork for the massive, bustling airports we see today. They are a testament to human ambition, a reminder of how far we've come, and a beacon of how much further we can go. The legacy of these airports continues to shape air travel today. As the world became more connected, these airports served as the epicenters of a revolution that would redefine how we understand distance and time. Indeed, the impact of these airports on modern aviation is profound and far-reaching. The airports we discussed, from Albany International to London's Croydon, have been instrumental in introducing significant changes to air travel. They were the forerunners in implementing advanced navigation systems, setting safety standards, and creating passenger-friendly amenities. These pioneers transformed the vast and daunting sky into a welcoming space, into a place where dreams take flight, and the impossible becomes possible. Take Albany International, for instance. It was among the first to adopt the air traffic control system, a crucial piece of the puzzle that ensures the safe and efficient movement of aircraft. Or consider Cleveland Hopkins International, which pioneered the concept of an airport hotel, forever changing the passenger experience. And then there's Newark Liberty International, which was instrumental in introducing the first paved runways. This innovation paved the way, quite literally, for larger and faster aircraft, unlocking new horizons in air travel. The contribution of these airports to the aviation industry is immeasurable, and their innovative spirit continues to inspire airports around the globe. The importance of airports in global travel cannot be overstated. They are the gateways to our world, connecting us to far-flung corners and diverse cultures. They are the starting points of our journeys, and the welcoming arms at the end of a long flight. In the grand scheme of things, airports are more than just transit hubs. They are symbols of human ingenuity, of our relentless pursuit of progress. They stand testament to our ability to conquer the skies and bring the world closer together. As we journey through the skies, let's remember the airports that paved the way for our travels.